Hey everybody, it's Richard RMAutodiag, and what we've got here is from the Vpecker review. Everyone's been asking about a lot of different cars. The Vpecker review does have about 10 different vehicles on there. So what I've done is I'm splitting it up into 10 different videos, and I'll put them all out, one for each vehicle, so you can watch each vehicle separately. If you want to check out the review, I'll put a card above and you can see the full review, which obviously goes through the software and everything else about it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and here's the review. Okay, number 6, we're on for a Renault. This is a Renault Modus 2010. Auto scan, input VIN, select vehicle, free select. So we got a few. Let's go for auto. See if it'll do it. Okay, let's try again. Auto scan is sort of hung up there, so we'll go for select vehicle. Do we have a Modus? Modus. Last. Modus. See if it'll go into it this way. Select. Go UCH. You can get trouble codes, nothing present. Data list. All data. Let's try those couple there. Yeah, so the live data is working on this. Activate test. See, rear screen wiper, see if that works. Yes, it does. So you're activating tests, and that works. So we do have some active tests working on that as well. What else can we go for? ABS. So we've got ABS. Trouble codes, nothing present. Data list, main data. Let's just quickly check one. Released. Press it. Yep, so that's working. Out of there. Activate test. Pump motor. I don't really want to start any of these now. But we do have a selection of tests. I would guess they probably work, seeing as the rest of it's working. And let's quickly go into the engine, make sure that works. So we got preheating open circuit, so we've got glow plug issue. So quick at the data, all data, accelerator position, temperature. Have a quick look. Yeah, they all seem to be working, so that's another good one. And activate tests. So we've got quite a few tests there. High, low speed fan, EGR. See if I can make that fan work, see if I can hear that. Yeah. That's not doing anything. Maybe it needs to just ignition on. Let's try it. Yes, it's working. So with the ignition on, we can get the fan to turn. So that's car number 6 done. All good. Let's move on to the next one.